The evolution of Windows-based technologies, a journey from Windows 1.0 to Windows 11. Tareq Sweis. The story of Windows, Microsoft's flagship operating system, mirrors the technological revolution of the last several decades. Spanning over 3 decades, its evolution encapsulates the progression, challenges, and innovations of the computing world. From the rudimentary interface of Windows 1.0 to the sleek design and multi-faceted features of Windows 11, the journey is a testament to technology's relentless forward march. It's a journey that has both shaped and been shaped by society's needs. Windows 1.0, the humble beginnings. Launched in November 1985, Windows 1.0 was Microsoft's response to Apple's Macintosh GUI. It wasn't a standalone operating system but a graphical interface layered atop MS-DOS. Windows 3.x, mainstream adoption begins. It wasn't until the release of Windows 3.0 and its subsequent version, Windows 3.1, that Microsoft began to see mainstream success. Introduced in the early 90s, these versions included improved graphics, the introduction of the Program Manager, and most importantly, the establishment of a protected mode in Intel 386 CPUs which boosted performance. Windows 95, a new era dawns. In 1995, a seismic shift occurred with the release of Windows 95. This version ditched the requirement of MS-DOS and introduced users to a host of new features, the most iconic being the Start menu. Windows XP, stability meets user experience. Fast forward to 2001, and Windows XP emerges as a beacon of stability and enhanced user experience. Merging 2 separate lines of Windows products, one for consumers and another for professionals, XP offered a unified platform for all. Windows 7, refining the experience. After the polarizing Vista, Windows 7, 2009, was a breath of fresh air, focusing on refining the user experience and correcting its predecessor's shortcomings. It brought a redesigned taskbar, support for touchscreen interfaces, and improved performance metrics, solidifying its reputation as a fan-favorite iteration. Windows 8 and 8.1, embracing a touch future. 2012's Windows 8 was a bold, sometimes jarring departure, notably introducing the tile-based Metro UI and removing the iconic Start button, though it returned in 8.1. This version was optimized for touch, in line with the rising trend of touchscreen devices. Windows 10, bridging old and new. With Windows 10 in 2015, Microsoft sought to combine the best of both worlds. The Start menu returned with an integrated live tile system. Enhanced security features, the introduction of Windows Ink for stylus devices, and the debut of the Edge browser showcased Microsoft's commitment to innovation, while still catering to its traditional user base. Windows 11, the latest evolution. Windows 11, the latest installment as of this writing, builds upon the legacy of its predecessors while setting the stage for the future. With a revamped, centered Start menu, integrated virtual desktop features, and enhanced support for next-gen gaming tech, it signals Microsoft's vision for the next era of computing. The progression from Windows 1.0 to Windows 11 is a chronicle of adaptation and resilience. It's an inspiring chronology, highlighting how software can change the world, one update at a time.